Hi there, Tammy Hicks here. Wanted to take a minute today and talk about the Healthy Daily Habits kit that is currently 20% off on doTERRA, and why this kit is amazing and why you need this in your life. So from now through June 27th, this kit will be $158 for anyone who is new to doTERRA and $148 for those that have a current, that are current account holders with doTERRA. So this is a spectacular cost savings, but also a really great deal for anyone that is looking to feel better, have more energy, less pain, better quality of sleep, better emotions and mood. It really is a spectacular, foundationally supportive kit that everybody really kind of needs. So I just want to take a few minutes and talk about what this kit is, why you would need it, and then how you would incorporate it into your life. So the Daily Habits Kit starts with, it's addressing all of the major foundational issues. So eating right, exercising, reducing and managing your stress and sleep, reducing your toxic load, informed self-care, and proactive medical care, right? So those are kind of all the steps for the health pyramid, right? So one of the best things that is in this kit is their supplements. So their supplements, their Lifelong Vitality is doTERRA's #1 selling product. It's ridiculously amazing, and it will address and help with most of the issues that people struggle with. So the Lifelong Vitality comes in a pack like this, and what I love about it is that it comes with three products that are in the Lifelong Vitality Kit, and I'll go through them. But I love about that is that most people go to the store and they're like, oh, I heard that I need magnesium or I need more iron. And so they're just kind of cherry picking these supplements off the shelves. So supplements are not regulated, which is scary, number one, so you never know what's in it. Most supplements are synthetic, right? So your body doesn't recognize them the same way. But you're also not getting that sort of holistic view and that holistic supportive supplement program that most people need. Yes, you could probably do more magnesium or whatever, but the Lifelong Vitality Pack gives you that foundational stuff. So it comes with 3 products in that. Xe Omega, so this is essential oils and omegas. So this is your essential fatty acids, which are necessary for cardiovascular health, connective tissue, brain health. You are not getting enough essential fatty acids. Your body does not make fatty acids on its own. You need to get it from outside sources. This is a spectacular, spectacular product that is also infused with doTERRA essential oils as well, giving you a well-rounded, high quality fish oil fatty acid supplement, okay? The next one as part of this is Microplex VMZ, and that's vitamins and minerals. This is your food nutrient. This is that foundational health, right? For food. You need 12 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. Most people are not getting that, right? It's unrealistic of you to expect something from your body to perform and to get good quality sleep and do all these things that you want when you're not nutritionally and foundationally giving it what it needs, right? So these vitamins will help to give your body what it needs to thrive. So this one is your whole food nutrient, and this is made with whole food ingredients. So it's things like kale and Brussels sprouts and broccoli, all things that your body recognizes and can assimilate into your body. It's bioavailable, so it's in your body and working right away. Normally, if you're taking a synthetic vitamin or, even eating I didn't just say that, even eating foods that are not really good for you, what your body has to do is it has to first say, okay, what is this, right? Because if it doesn't recognize it, it's got to figure out, what is this? What do I do with it? How do I process that and then expel it, right? So it's a lot of work. So this is whole food nutrients, so it's available right away in your body to start to work for you. And then the third part of that pack is Alpha CRS, and this is Cellular Renewal System. And you are cells from head to toe. You have cells and you have natural cell die-off, but if you are not giving your body, again, what it needs, it's not producing optimal cells. So as you start to incorporate some of these foundational supplements, you will then be able to create healthier cells that again are going to work for you and not against you. So the alpha CRS will help to increase your cellular activity, helping to increase making new quality cells, and then also assisting with that natural cell die-off with those cells that have not been working optimally for you. So that's the Lifelong Vitality Pack. That's included in the kit. Also included is PB Assist, which is a probiotic. The best probiotic I have used by far. It's double encapsulated, so you've got the prebiotic fiber on the outside, probiotic fiber probiotics on the inside, and so it is time released in your gastrointestinal tract. Your gut, you need to love on your gut. It is your second brain. It is your, where 70% of your immune system stems from. You need to love on your gut. So many things are linked to unhealthy gut health. So the probiotic, the PB Assist, will definitely help to replenish a healthy microbiome. Also included in that is Terrazyme, and these are digestive enzymes. And this basically helps to break down food to make it more easily available to be absorbed and assimilated into your body, helping with any kind of belly bloat or inflammatory gastrointestinal inflammation or anything like that. And it has an anti-gluten component to it as well. So if you have any kind of gluten sensitivity or something like that, it is very supportive to that. So those are just the vitamins that are in this pack. And then we have the Deep Blue Rub. This is something that you would use for aches, pains, inflammation, pre and post workout. It's a spectacular product, one of doTERRA's, again, great products. And I love this, just applying it to help generate circulation. Circulation can help with repair, right? I love it pre and post workout to oxygenate my cells. I get shin splints a lot, so I love putting it like on my shin area. If you've slept wrong, if you've got an ache, a pain, a sprain, Deep Blue Rub is where it's at, okay? And then we have the oil component to that, and these oils are kind of foundational. So working on, reducing your toxic load, but also to helping to boost your immune system. We've got On Guard. So On Guard is a spectacular oil, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal. It's a great oil and it will help you keep your immune system healthy, but you can also use this to make your own cleaning products as well, which I do in my home. Then we've got lemon. Lemon oil is a detoxifier and also a great cleaning agent. So I use this in my water every single day, helping to just keep my internal organs clean and crisp and clean. But I also use it for cleaning as well. So it's a whitener and a brightener and a very good cleaning agent. And then we've got Balance, right? So this is known as their grounding blend, and this will help with aiding in restful sleep, calming anxious feelings. I put this on morning, noon, and night. I put it on several times a day, actually. I diffuse it, but this is a spectacular oil to just kind of we're living in this state of distress, right? We are constantly going and on and busy and stressed and living this crazy chaotic lives, and helping to kind of bring you down from way up here into down here and a little more grounded. So Balance is one that we use several times a day. The next one is lavender, and lavender is all things calming, mind, body, spirit. So I love lavender for calming anxious feelings, helping with sleep, but I love it for pain relief as well, especially we're moving now into the spring, summer season. So for any kind of bug bites or anything like that, or sunburn, lavender is a really great oil as well. And then the last but not least is frankincense. Frankincense is known as the king of oils, and it can be used for pretty much everything. I love it specifically for its anti-inflammatory properties, its immune boosting properties, and its ability to penetrate the blood-brain barrier in your head, so helping at a neurological level. And we've used this a lot for, in our home, struggling with emotional components and learning disabilities and stuff like that. It's just been a blessing for us really to have that oil in our home and to be able to, well, actually all of these things. So that's the Healthy Daily Habits Kit. it's a spectacular deal because you are working at every single level and you can address every single level. And what I love about that is, you know, you're not just kind of cherry picking the different areas. This is a kit that allows you to approach it from a holistic point of view and addressing all the different areas that may be out of balance in your life. And we all need balance, right? Your body wants to be well, but a lot of times when you're out of balance in one area, it can cause other things to falter as well. So this whole kit will really kind of work to bring your body back into balance. So if you are interested in this kit, the link is in my bio. And you can purchase the kit there. If you have any questions, please just reach out to me. I'd be happy to help. I'm a holistic health coach. I'm an essential oil educator, and my passion is teaching people how to be well, how to live a clean and healthy and natural and nurturing lifestyle for yourself. So I hope you found this useful. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Take care.